Anyway, what I really want to say is, girls, Mishenichnas Odar Marvin, increase your happiness. Give yourself permission to be happy. And find how to get double happiness, not just happiness. Marvin, more. You don't have to do anything. Just open up and it'll happen. Try. Open up and get the joy and happiness in your heart. Let God do the job of getting the happiness for you. But open up, you have to do something to get happiness. And it'll happen. It'll be. Try it out. Yes.
I'd like to tell you something because this is very unique. So maybe everyone else would like to hear it too. A couple weeks ago, when my sons and I were davening third meal, and we're learning all the secrets of having the third meal and that the gates of heaven are open and it's a really good time to pray. We started praying for all of our needs and everything we have right there. When we were praying, we knew it was Rosh Chodesh, but it hadn't dawned on us it was Adar yet. While we're praying for this need and we're praying for this and we're praying for my husband to get here soon and all the things we have need of, I stopped and I just started praying for happiness, the Simcha Me'od. And I told the boys, I said, I really sense this is from Hashem, that I'm serious, we're going to put everything that we don't have to deal with right now off. And we are going to concentrate on being the Simcha. Just move it aside, we're going to add more to this, we're going to add more to that. And my son said, how are we going to do that, Mom? I said, I don't know, but we're going to do that. And we literally have started moving. I mean, sometimes it's a challenge, but I have noticed that we're getting more koach as we're continuing. And then it was afterwards that I found out that Adar, I know Purim you're supposed to be happy, but I didn't know the month of Adar you're supposed to be happy the whole month. And on top of it, we got 2 months. So I said, what makes me happy? I'm going to Torah. I'm going to Yeshiva every day. As every day I can come to Yeshiva, I'm going to Yeshiva every day.
She's the best.
I've got permission. I've got permission. Well, this is from Hashem. And now you're saying, Hashem says do that. I have permission. So I don't know what'll happen, but he's going to take care of it.
You'll know we'll definitely be happy.
Exactly.
Because it's 100%. Not you don't. We know.
So I thought you should know that.
So I think it's very good. I'm happy to have a testimony. It's very good.
So the co-op you say there's 28 things to do. I think that's co-op.
Yeah.
That's right.
28 positive.
Any other questions? I want to go to run. Any other questions? Yes.
I want to ask you about when we say about that we have permission to pay idolatry. That's Jewish idolatry. I mean, a Jew doing idolatry. Because I thought we're not.
No, even Goyish, Jew or Goy. Idolatry is idolatry. So except today's world, we don't see much idolatry because the idolatry they're talking about basically the people in let's say the islands and the Peloponnesian islands got real idolatry. You realize that we're talking about the spiritual sense that people are doing money and this and that, whatever it may be. What they got?
For themselves.
What?
For themselves.
For themselves.
Western world, they like that.
Themselves. So I agree to that. Themselves. So that's really. So in that way, you could make fun of it. Listen, and of those things, not the people, the things. I agree with things. But if it was real idolatry, it's much stronger. Definitely, because the kids have to know. You have to know the right of it. It says in the Rambam, and one of the bring it today to you, that what a person puts value to, what they say, shows who they are, what they are. When you make fun of idolatry, it means you're straight. When you accept idolatry, let the wicked people go by and do their bad deeds, so you're agreeing. So where are you holding? Where are you? Who are you? It's not so simple. Anyway, everybody should have a happy order. Yes, Sarah?
If you feel like lead is babbling,
What?
if you feel like lead is babbling, like you feel like a certain sorrow, how do you go into Mishim?
Just
even though, because Hashem
so now,
you have to feel
Hashem is telling you, unless it's Chas v'Shalom about Velas, Hashem says, like she says, throw that on the side and jump into happiness. What's she say?
I don't understand.
Throw it on the side and jump into happiness. Just jump in and you'll see it increase. That's the secret. And because you'll recognize God gave you the goodness at this time. He made this special time for you. That this is the time. Yeah, so you gotta get that happiness. It's like all of a sudden you just won the lottery and you don't want to go down and pick up the money. You already have happiness and you don't want to go and get it.
No, but I'm saying that
I know what I'm saying. I answer
You
you.
got
I answered you,
it.
Sarah. What I answer you?
But also, like you say, a lot of it to jump to get what God wants to give you. But also, when you feel the sorrow, Hashem doesn't like close His eyes to it.
It's true, but now He wants happiness from you. What does He want from you now?
Happiness.
Double happiness. Triple happiness. Marva, yes.
You're only going to get good things.
It doesn't say that happiness. It just say you'll get happiness.
Miracles.
Miracles and happiness. That's all happiness.
But if Hashem does something to get to, you still have to be happy.
You have to know it could be 20 times worse, and you were safe from 50 times worse. No, I want you to know that. No, I want it to be known. You know, people think, oh, it's terrible. You don't realize how much God saved for 100 billion times worse terrible.
Sometimes something good comes out of something bad.
And sometimes something good comes out, yes. Very
But
good.
only the Torah makes us happy, and right now there is a shortage of the words of Torah.
But now that's wonderful. Now spread the words of Torah we said today. It'll make us wonderful. Yes.
I have a quick question.
Yeah.